Afternoon guys, back again, 3 o'clock. This is what it should be like all the time, blue skies. Where's that plane gone? It's up there somewhere. So it should be like all the time, innit? Blue skies, man. Yeah, I've been debating today, river or the canal. I think the canal, the fish are just going to be on the top again. So I'm going to hit the River Douglas, not hit that for a while, so yeah. Just waiting for the train. See you in a bit guys, see you on the bank. Private, not allowed. Bit of a walk that guys. Walking for about 20 minutes there. Let's get up here. Well, I think it's going to be low today, the river. This heat or whatever. Historic leven. It's a back of Barbold Hill there. Hey, it's looking good. Look at all the fish down there. It's all the chub down there. Let's get a zoom in while there's no wind. Look at all them chub down there. Yeah, I'm glad I come to the river. Chance of Barble up here. See that little bit over there? That's the River Tord that it runs in. Get on here before the car takes me out. Yeah, back at Barbold Hill there. Chance of Barble, yeah, going downstream. Going this way. It's a bit better there, doesn't it? Yeah, let's get on it anyway. Get off this bridge before I get mushed. Yeah, so just down under the bridge now. I don't think you're allowed, not allowed. It's a fish this bit, but that looks good, doesn't it? About 2 foot there. Yeah, we're going downstream anyway, so I think there were chub and dace there then, mix. Yeah, let's get downstream anyway. It's a hot one today guys, I think it's 30, 29, 30 today. It's a bloody hot one. Ooh. Let's get downstream anyway. I've brought my gloves just in case because I know it's going to be grown like that. It's going to be overgrown. So I'll probably have to rip out a peg. Let's go for it anyway. Finally here. Tell you what, if you've got dodgy legs guys, you got the tracks up there. The tracks. Bloody warm today. I wouldn't recommend if you've got dodgy knees, dodgy legs. I've nearly just snapped my shin about 4 times and you do that down here, you're goosed. Middle of nowhere, I've been walking for about 20 minutes then. But yeah, wouldn't recommend it if you've got dodgy legs. Yeah, Wigan water this one. But known to be Bible coming out of here, so gonna give it a try. Just having 5 minutes guys. Be back in a minute, cheers. Yeah, do a little run for him anyway. It's only a small river. It's probably about 3 foot there, the deepest 3.5 foot. But yeah, I'm just going on a lead, light lead. Got Stradic, £8 on that. I had to top that up the other day. Just a little 1/4 ounce lead. I said we're not going mad, we're not casting distance, so I don't want to be putting my maggot feeders on. Just a little 1/4 ounce lead. About 12 inches from that. Got a size 12 cone, I got them, my brother was telling me about them. Just want to try them. Baits, on the baits today I've got pellets, robin reds, load of worms, hemp, some river ground bait, I think that's got bloodworm mixed in, a load of liquidised bread, some bread, 20p on my bargain, can't beat that, goes out today, sweet corn. Did some meat, diced some meats up in spam with the garlic powder, and in this Nesquik tub mussels, the nice smelly one. Yep, I'm just going to put that on the bite alarm, and hopefully we'll get a good run later. Like that. Let's get in anyway. Glad these bushes are here, it's bloody hot in that sun. It's saying 29 degrees today, 31 tomorrow. Bloody hell. Warming it, so I've just got that rod in. Just cast it over there. Just into the shadow there, with that dragonflies. But yeah, I got my maggots as well, forgot to say, what the maggots there, red and white. Get them warmed up, they've been in the fridge, keep them cool, they last longer in the fridge. Make sure they're wrapped up, don't want a bag, because people have fits. Yeah. Right, I'm just going to get the other float, I'm going to get the float rod set up as well and just try to float, I think. Or even try it on the edge. Because you've got it's still on the edge, it's just a black float on there. Only had a little tap on the meat on the lead. No points on the float, it's just little ones. Not even worth filming, little chocolate days. Yeah, this is Wigan, they say no night fishing, but look at that. Someone's well had a bivvy there, haven't they? Telling me they haven't. After the barbel here at night. Not allowed. Welcome to the country of not allowed. The maggots are woke up anyway. Hoping to get a decent perch off the edges of perch down there. You can see it, it's still going. I'll actually go stalking with my float in a minute, go and see if I can get it. Perch chasing stuff. I'm just behind that willow there. Just in the shadow of the other bushes, just out there. Got meat on again, it's bloody warm today though. Been here for about an hour now, one bite I've had. I think it's too hot in it. There's a lot of that silkweed on the bottom as well. Hopefully, I'm hoping it picks up in a minute. I'm gonna give it till dark anyway. Meantime, I'm gonna have a nice coffee. Got myself a little snack as well. Nice then. 35p on bargains. Bargain. It's been a booming Friday, hasn't it? Seen a few camper vans before parking, couples parking to go wherever they go, up the lakes, Lake District, Wales, down south, Cornwall, I don't know where they go. Oh yeah, booming weekend for it. Time upload this, it'll be Saturday. But yeah, I want to fish into the dark here anyway. Still nothing, not even a tap. I had one little tap before on the meat, I think it was a chocolate. I think it's too hot still, isn't it? Well too hot. 29 degrees it hit just before. 31 tomorrow I think as well in the northwest. But yeah, have a good weekend anyway guys, enjoy it whatever you're doing. You might see this on the weekend, tomorrow Saturday. Oh yeah, booming weather. And this is probably the best we're going to get now, isn't it? Not even a cloud in the sky. And someone else was to put in jet away, you can just stay here. Or stay on it. Come on, the fish. Let's have a look at the landscape. Nothing's happening on that fish yet. There's barbel there, there's barbel parish. There's the Ashurst Beacon. Skelman's Hale's just over there. Just down there. clear one today, innit? That way's Preston, Blackpool. Style there, right? You can zoom in on that. See where them houses are there? That used to be a quarry, that Hilldale quarry. That used to have some monster tension back in the day. Going back years ago. They filled it in, they built all bloody estate on it. Used to be good up there. There's like a little woods on the top as well. Yeah, nothing happened on the roads yet, too hot. Well, too hot. Ah, fate. Thought I'd switch to bed. Sun's right down there. What's fighting this one? Is it a chub, yeah? Not like in the knees there, innit? My brother's come down as well to see me. It's a nice chub, isn't it? Yeah, nothing. Nice one, bro. Yeah, brother's come down for a bit. It's about
Nice.
lovely chub. You alright with that?
Perfectly hooked.
You got it?
Was it a barb?
Yeah, whiskered. Did you get it? Yeah, let's get it on, let's get the full strap. I should have the full strap stuck on me. Yeah, bro.
Nice.
Let's have a look at it. Let's get it there. Sorry, bro, got it. It's a nice chub out in it for the doggy. Lovely chub out in it. How heavy are you saying?
Close to 3, I reckon.
Close to 3?
Yeah.
Nice one. Cheers, bro. Yeah, I get it back. Just on the trot on the bread there. As soon as that sun drops in it. Come on, chubby, wake up. Oh, snagged on the bottom then. That was just rolling meat, wasn't it? Oh, lovely chub that, innit? Size of that one. Well bigger that, innit? Look at it. Oh, soft again. Got it, bro? Yes. Lovely evening chub that. Pulling it up. Nice chub that one. Can you get the hook? Is it flipped?
Yeah, it's bigger. It's a lot bigger.
That's a lovely chub that, isn't it?
Come on.
Does the hook come out?
Yeah.
Can you get that, yeah? It's a lovely big chub.
Yeah.
Nice one, bro. The size of that, man.
That's a beast, that.
How heavy do you reckon?
3.
4.
Definitely 3.
3.
Yeah.
3 pound, that one. Just chuck this float out the way. It's a nice one, that, isn't it? Be alright, bro, staying in the net, and you see that. Lovely chub, lovely evening chub, nice one, bro.
Yeah.
Let's get it back. That was swap from the bread. Did about 10 more trots. Meat. Little cube of meat. Lovely chub, for the Douglas as well. Oh, there goes. Second chub. The lovers just got off then and just shot me tackle out and the fucking rod screamed loud. And he took the bloody rod in. Don't know what it is. It's another big chub. Wait. How's he gone there? Doesn't know that fucking weed. Here it comes, here it comes. Yep, lovely nice chub. Come here, matey. Whoosh, in the net. Full of that siltweed everywhere. Killer weed, that. Gone down, shut on there. What the hell I've gone mad. Let's get it unlocked. Have a nice chub there, blow, just as you get off, man. Yeah, last light here, guys. I'm gonna knock it in a minute. The one last cast. Should do that as a thumbnail, shouldn't I? Nice that. Yeah, gonna give it 10 more minutes and then I'm off. Nice one for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in again. And I'll see you on the next episode. Tight lines, everybody.